How to make text bigger on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Snapchat Plus. After you click on Snapchat Plus, make sure you update it. After only you will get Snapchat Plus, you will be able to make text bigger in Snapchat, as you will find option in here for text effect or option like custom chat. And there you will find option to make your text bigger in the chat. After you do that, when you click on the chat, you can simply increase the text as you want. This is not available in the normal version. This is only available in Snapchat Plus. This is how to make text bigger on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.